A new attack launched by the Hittites with drones on the port. Eilat, southern occupied Palestine. Confirming the continuation of all military operations at sea and on land against the Zionist occupation until the aggression against the Gaza Strip stops. The military operation carried out by the Hittites at sea, read against Israeli ships. It had a major impact, causing it to stop almost completely for the arrival of ships to the Israeli port of Eilat. According to what was reported by Axios, this was confirmed by the Eilat Port Administration. The Houthi strikes caused losses estimated at 85% from the income and revenues of vehicles coming to the port. In a remarkable development, for the first time, we announced the British Minister of Defence. The British Navy shot down a drone. It was targeting commercial ships in the Red Sea. At the same time, the U.S. Central Command announced 14 drones shot down. The Hittites had announced earlier. They launched it towards the south of the occupied territories. These events prompted several international companies to temporarily stop the process of shipping sweets across the Red Sea. The most recent was a French transport company. The impact of the Houthi strikes on Israel doubles American concerns from the expansion of the conflict in the region. This prompted the American administration to try to shuffle the cards by forming a naval-military alliance under the pretext of danger on navigation and maritime trade in the Red Sea and the Bab el-Mandab Strait. Thus, the expansion of the conflict becomes an obsession and a nightmare. Make Washington avoid direct response to whale attacks to resort to forming a naval-military alliance. America intends to announce its details in the coming days. According to U.S. National Security spokesman John Kirby, Western military buildup in the Red Sea. It coincides with the continuation of the Zionist aggression against the Gaza Strip for more than 70 days, leaving approximate 80,000 martyrs and wounded. Most of them are children and women.